Crack kids at it again, go!
Bruh.
Yeah, your son is fine.
Yeah!
Yeah, we're just chilling outside.
Yeah! Everybody say yeah, yeah! Yeah!
Crack kids at it again, go!
First thing you do is catch the ball, okay?
Yeah!
Last try.
Yeah!
Okay, I give up. One more out to go.
Yeah!
What the? Hey, this nigga on crack.
Yeah!
I'm playing with crack kids.
Are ya ready, kids?
Yeah!
I can't hear you.
Yeah!
Oh!
Every time I'm in the street, I hear
For the next 12 hours, all crime is legal.
Stop leaving your banana in my face. I don't even want it. Just kidding. I got it. Bloop.
Oh, it smells like your mamma mia pizzeria. It smells like the baby.
Okay.
No, you can't copy my homework. There is bitches.
Kaiser. Smile. Show me your smile. Smile.
Sure, it said place on head. Okay. Come on. Did I do it right? What the fuck? Banging on my chatty rocket, kiwi nugget. Give it to me,
Hey guys, she texted me.
What she said?
She said, hey.
How many wives?
3.
He's on the phone with his girlfriend. She's upset. She wants to break up because he can't make her pussy wet.
There you go.
Psych!
Why do people always ask?
Do you have a bathroom?
No, we shit in the sink. What a stupid question. Of course we got a bathroom.
Oh my god, you're killing me! Get the fuck out of my room and play Minecraft! What the fuck are you doing?
They hating, patrolling and trying to catch me right.
Let's take a gun shop, okay, and put them next to a big-ass liquor store, and then take both of them and put them next to a Chuck E.
I'm calling your parents. No! I'm calling your parents. Home cell work with the extension.
Hey! No running in the holes!
Ready?
Go.
Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
If you want to have a good relationship, you got to be supportive. Come on, baby, you can do it. You can do it, baby.
When it's cold outside, I'm gonna keep my black ass in this house. Fuck today.
Hey, pero ¿qué te pasa?
It's the kind of beat that go.
I guess my brain's just really big.
What else is really big?
I thought you'd never ask. I have this huge Pokemon card collection.
Did you take it yet? Take the damn picture!
Get scared easily?
No.
For your information, there's a lot more to ogres than people think.
Example?
Example?
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong.
Fuck her right in the pussy!
It took crews longer than anticipated to find the crack in the 64-year-old pipeline. I'm standing here with Fred, who says he was greatly impacted by the gushing of oil. Can you tell us a little more of what you saw?
I sure can. I was sitting on my front porch, grabbed a beer, and fuck her right in the pussy.
Back to
Well,
Wicked!
What are you doing in my swamp? What are you doing in my swamp?
Howling!
I don't want it, Shrek. Please. Life. Shrek is life. I get it. Just give me. Jeff.
Hey now. You're
Oh
a
my
rock
god! It
star.
actually fucking scared me.
Oh yeah.
Bam, just Instagrammed him. Good job. High five. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh. Turn it off. Turn it off here.
Harry, you are a wizard.
Listen here, Hagrid, you fat oaf! I'm not a fucking wizard!
For God's sake, Harry, what is with this language? You're a fucking wizard.
I don't give a fuck, you fat, hairy bastard! I'm not a fucking wizard!
Listen, Harry, you're going to go to Hogwarts and do spells and shit, and you're gonna be fucking pleased about it.
I don't want to do your fucking spells, you basket case! Stick it up your fucking dick hole!
My fucking what?
Hagrid, you're pushing me over the fucking line!
No, I'm not. You are a wizard. You're gonna go Hogwarts. You're gonna do spells. You get a wand. You get a fucking owl. It'll deliver your mail. Deal with it, you twat.
I'm gonna fucking put my dick in the owl.
I done that when I was younger, and that was a bad move. You are a wizard.
I'm a what?
You're a wizard, Harry. For fuck's sake, listen to me.
Hagrid, I've been through this. I don't give a bloody fuck what you think.
This is not negotiable. You come with me, you specky, bull haircut, fuck, small dick, skinny cunt, eat more wanger.
I'll fucking set your beard on fire.
More than you little specky cunt, square to go like.
I'll fucking burst you.
Right you little wank stain. If you don't get your act together, I'm gonna drag you to Hogwarts. You'll get a wand, you'll get an owl that'll deliver you a shitey meal, and that'll be that, and you'll enjoy it, you chinky.
I'll fucking gnaw your arm off, Hagrid.
Listen you, get near my arm and I'll slap you across the face like a little bitch.
I'll pump you silly.
Come on then, you cunt.
Suck my pixie dick, you chubby coon.
I'll rupture your fucking anus with my massive bear cock.
I'll rip your giant dick off and bash you across the jaw with it.
Let's go right now, bring it on, you little wank.